How typical CNC mills move. In this video, we'll discover the work coordinate system of a mill, identify axis orientation of a CNC mill, and explain positive versus negative directions.
CNC mills come in a wide variety of configurations, from 3-axis vertical milling centers to multi-axis machines. One key concept that should always be considered is the coordinate system of each machine. We're going to take a look at a Haas VF3 SSYT to better understand the coordinate system and how the mill will move. A 3-axis mill will move in 3 different directions at once. The table will move to the left and right along the x-axis and forward and back along the y-axis. The spindle, where the tool is located, will move up and down in the z-axis. When we work with this inside of Fusion 360, it can be a little hard to visualize because Fusion 360, like most programs, will simulate the part as fixed and the tool moving in all 3 directions. In reality, the tool only moves up and down when the part moves on a plane in x and y. So let's make this machine move and let's take a little bit of a closer look. If we tell the machine that this position is our 0 for x, y, and z, it now has a reference for that in location to its own home position. This is how we'll identify our part in the machine as G54. As the tool moves to the right on our part, this is the plus x. But the table is actually moving to the left. As the tool moves to the left relative to our part, this is minus x, but the table is actually moving to the right. With y, as the tool moves toward us relative to our part, this is minus y, and the table is moving away. And the opposite of this is plus y, with the tool moving back towards 0 while the table is moving toward us. With z, when we set 0 at the top of our part, plus z moves the tool away from the part, while minus z will move down into the part. This can take a little time to get used to when manually moving or jogging a machine, but the important takeaway should be the location of each axis relative to the machine and their positive and negative directions of travel.